How to download PowerPoint on your computer. So to start, we'll have to open our Microsoft Store. To do that, we'll have to go at the bottom part of our screen and then tap on this Microsoft Store option. In here, we'll have to go on the search bar and then type here Microsoft 365. After that, tap on search. Once you're done with that, it will automatically show you choices here. But as for me, I have this Microsoft 365 Copilot. What I need to do is to open this one. So in here, if you haven't installed this application on your laptop or PC, you're supposed to see an option here to install. All you need to do is to tap on that one. If you don't want to use Microsoft Store on downloading your PowerPoint, what you can do is to open your browser and then search for Microsoft 365. And then in here, we'll have to tap on this one. After that, we'll have to sign in to our Microsoft account. To do that, tap on this one. And then in here, we'll have to type our email. Once you are logged into your account, you are supposed to see an Install Apps option. To show you that, I'm going to go back on my Microsoft Store and then tap on this Open option. And then in here, as you can see, this is how a Microsoft 365 should look like. And then on top, you will see an Install Apps option. All you need to do is to tap on this one. So in here, as you can see, it says Go Premium. Since I don't have a Go Premium account, but if you have a premium account, you are supposed to automatically see the apps that you need to install like the PowerPoint. So that's how easy we can download PowerPoint on our laptop or PC. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.